The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to add courses and curriculum cores in Curriculog. When adding a new program, you must build the courses and the curriculum that goes along with it. Curriculog pushes to the catalog, so it'll list the times in which the courses should be taken, along with the courses and the sequence there. So to do that, we're going to do an undergraduate new program request as an example. Turn on the help text, and then we're going to create the program here. So we're going to do a minor, type in the program name, choose the college and the department, type in your description here and your rationale. If you are creating new courses that are not in existence right now into the catalog, so if you're doing a new prefix, you need to add in your rationale that courses should be approved at the same time as the program. After the courses have been approved along with the program, at the very end step, you would go back and actually add those courses in once the registrar's office creates those new prefixes. Fill in all the required fields. Make sure to include an assessment plan. And then here's where you build the curriculum. If there are courses that are already in existence that you're just going to put in your program, you can click Add Courses. I'm sorry, you click Import Course. It's going to pull you into the catalog. You can sort by prefix. And it's going to show you all the available courses that are within that prefix. So if you want these to be in the program, you can multi-select by clicking both, and you're going to add those to the proposals. If it's a new course that you're adding, like the nutrition minor, you just type that in here. So it adds your course. The first step is adding all the courses that will be in the program. Next, you're going to build the order in which they're going to be offered, or how you would like to appear in the catalog. So for this purpose, we're going to set it this way. We're going to do it by semester. So for summer, if you want them to take a particular course in the summer, you click here, and you're going to add that course. And then all right, we're going to add a new core, and this is going to be titled Fall. And you're going to add courses that you take in the fall. Click Save, and then this is what it's going to look like. So for summer, it'll have those listed out. For fall, it'll have those. And then here's a preview of how it's going to show into the catalog. Now, if you want to, another way that people are doing this is they don't necessarily do it by summer or fall. They do it by program requirements. There's other demonstrations that you can look at in the catalog. It's all basically how you want to set up your program sheet. Here is a current example of one of the College of Ed courses. So here are the titles where I had it labeled as fall or summer. This one's Core Area A, and it has the core class listed under it. You have Core Area B, but then when you go down, here's how there's different concentrations, how you have the block and the courses built under it. So basically it all boils down to how you want it to appear in the catalog. So to summarize, first, add your courses. If they're existing courses, you just import. If they're new, you add them here just like this one. and then you create the order in which they'll be offered in. Each core gives you the ability to type in text, description, and courses. So just walk your way through, and at each step you can always preview, so it'll show how it pulls up in the catalog.